work in black and whites, Clint, it ain't going to be like this, because the working ones, they just have the lines cut into.
Yeah.
You know, I'm sure it'll be two-piece like this, but, you know, won't have that trippiness in it. Nelson, Daddy will hold you, okay? What do you want? You want the best of the three, don't you? Yeah, Daddy's got you. You can watch from up here, okay?
Yeah.
Get it, Clint, get it.
I'm gonna get it.
You sure that light's good enough?
Oh, yeah.
Because I thought it was too the other day, and mine came out so dark.
No, this would
just
flash.
Take out the shadows that it was phaser.
When this flashes light, it still shows real good.
Okay.
This is like a super good camera.
Yeah, those are without a doubt out of the same mold. Got the same holes and everything. And it came from two different sources. You want down? Okay. You'd be good, okay? Okay, I'll hold you so you can see. There you go. What would you like for lunch? French fries and Coke? No, it's just a great piece of acrylic. Yep, it's yellow. Yellowed over the years or something. Is this the way it came out of the mold? It's all blotchy, or do you think they milled some of that out? No. I got you. Robot. Okay, we'll go see the robot. What? Yes, there's phasers up there in there, son. This one here is the one I sacrificed to get this one. Because I didn't have the money to buy it, and the guy wanted the money then. So I went ahead and sold that one so I could get this one. Guess it wouldn't have been much of a difference, huh? What? You can't touch him, Nicholas. You know that already.
The difference in the grains, it's like wherever they have it shot in.
Yeah.
It's like all the rainwater stuff, it's all different.
Rainwater stuff is?
Yeah, it's a little watch that springs out. I got 4 of them, they're all different watches.
Oh my gosh.
It's like they went out and got
Just bought it.
4 that were similar.
Where are you going? He does the same thing in my garage. He never stops once he gets out of my garage. I usually end up letting him give him what he wants, so that's my big drawback.
Look.
So you think this might have moved at one time, huh? I'm always afraid to try to move it because they all were in the same position when I got them. They were all straight up and down. I've always been afraid to try to get them to do anything.
Well, yeah, the one that I stripped down, it's got a little screw in the back that's holding it in.
Oh, really?
It does that.
Huh.